Hi and welcome to the course on learning Big Data Hadoop. Hands-on for beginners, for big data engineers, an open source that is free source software which allows you to store and process big data. I am going to be your guide as we explore Big Data Hadoop on single node Apache Hadoop cluster installed on Windows 10 operating system. So, what are we going to cover in this course then? Well, the course is about Big Data Hadoop. That obvious means we are going to look at Apache Hadoop and Big Data. We are going to look at how to set up Apache Hadoop single node cluster and get started with that. And well, we will learn how to use Apache Hadoop to take data coming into cluster, process the data. We will also explore HDFS and YARN architecture. That's pretty much what we are going to learn about Apache Hadoop. But to do that, you are going to get some information from me. I will explain you the concept, but you are also going to have to do some work yourself. This course is hands-on learning, and to do that, you are going to have to set up your environment. So first thing you are going to need is a 8 GB RAM system with Windows 10 operating system. We will also learn introduction to big data, 3 V's of big data, how big is big data, how analysis of big data is useful for organization, what is Hadoop, why Hadoop and its use cases, different ecosystems of Hadoop, structured, unstructured and semi-structured data, Apache Hadoop 3.3 single node installation on Windows 10, HDFS, that is shell commands, hands-on practice, HDFS architecture, data replication, HDFS snapshots and YARN architecture. I am really excited you are here. I hope you are going to follow all the way to the end of course. It is fairly straightforward, fairly easy to follow through the course. I will show you step by step each line of code. I will explain what it does and why are we doing it. So please, I invite you to follow up to go through all the lectures. Alright, I will see you soon in the course.